Hello students, Kajal Miss back with you. Today I am going to teach you exercise 1C of standard 8th. Standard 8th, okay? Rational numbers. Now this rational numbers is is in all the boards. ICSE, CBSE, SSC. So not specifically to ICSE, सब boards में होता है rational numbers. I dealt with addition and subtraction and evaluation in rest of my videos. Now I am going to teach you the multiplication part in this video, okay? Multiplication part is the easiest of all in rational numbers. Two-step method, directly get 3-4 marks, okay? Come on, let's see. Now see students, they will give you fractions like this and they will tell you to multiply. Very simple, very simple. First of all, see up, down and cross. Whether they are common multiple. Cut हो सकता है तो कर दो, ठीक है? For example, 14 and 7. 14 और 7 कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड. 14 और 7 कॉमन टेबल में जाते हैं. यस जाते हैं. 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14. ओके. 6 and 5 कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड. नो चांस. 6 1 नो चांस. 2 5 नो चांस. सिंपली हैव टू सी द क्रॉस नंबर्स एंड अप डाउन. बाजू वाले नंबर्स कट नहीं कर सकते. यू कांट रिड्यूस द एडजेसेंट नंबर. एडजेसेंट नंबर बाजू बाजू वाला नहीं देखने का. Only have to see up, down and cross cross. By the way, like, share, subscribe to my videos, okay? Now, what is minus minus? Plus. 6 2s are 12. 5 1s are 5. So this is my final product. This is the final number answer. Even if you don't put this plus sign, fine. But as you're a beginner, I am recommending this because it will be easy for you to remember. Next is 7 and 91. Does 7 and 91 come in a common table? Yes, in the table of 7 only. 7 1s are 7, 2 remainder, 7 3s are 21. 7 13 times becomes 91. 6 and 18, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. See, the question was 7 upon 6 multiplied by minus 18 upon 91. So my answer would be 3 1s are 3. 13 1s are 13, plus minus minus. There was one minus sign besides 18. Only one sign. When there is only one minus sign, the answer would come in minus. If there are two minus signs, they will fight and become plus. Okay? Minus minus, plus. Plus plus, plus. Only when there are opposite signs, plus minus minus plus, then the answer would come in minus. Okay? Let's go ahead with the next sum. Now, are 72 and 9 multiple in a common table? Yes. 9 1s are, 9 8s are. How about 5 and 125? 5 1s are 5, 5 25 times 125. Okay, students, you will eventually understand and become fast in this. This is the initial period, so you might be finding it difficult, but it's okay. Slowly try to reduce and it will be easy task for you. Okay, now students, what is this reducible? Again, I reduced 5 with 125. 5 1s are 5, 5, 25 are 125. 9 1s are 9, 8 are 72. Is further reduction possible? I don't think so. 25 1s are 25. 8 1s are 8. Both are having a minus sign. Put and then reduce. Cut. Minus minus becomes plus. Okay. When the two minuses or two pluses are getting divided, the answer would only be in plus. Okay. Now come to the next question. 11 and 44, yes, of course, common table में जाता है. 4s are 51 and 9, yes, in the table of 3. 3 3s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3. 17 times. Okay. This minus and minus will get reduced, लेकिन एक बचा. See, 3 minuses, दो तो आपस में पॉजिटिव हो गए, एक रह गया ना, that would be there. So this answer is 17 1s are 17, 3 4s are 12. Now the question is, ये माइनस का साइन कहाँ डालें, न्यूमरेटर में कि डिनोमिनेटर में? Always in the numerator, never in the denominator. Even if it is in the denominator, लेके जाओ ऊपर, without asking, inquiring, seeing whether it is given or not. जब भी तुम डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस देखोगे, it is your prime duty to put it in the numerator. Okay? चलो, 5 और 20, अरे वाह, 5 1s are 5 4s are. Now 4 and 8, yes, 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8. 2 and 16, again, अरे वाह, 2 1s are 2 8s are. So your answer is minus 8. कुछ बचा ही नहीं, सब 1 1 हो गया, खाली 8 बचा. Okay? I hope multiplication part is easy. आगे जाओ. Okay. So again the next sum is multiply only. Students, the name of the book is Selena, and I hope this works as a guide to you. My videos would help you as a digest for going through each and every sum. The next sum is multiply. They will write here multiply. They will not put a multiplication sign in each and every question. खाली ऊपर लिख देंगे multiply, add, subtract. They will put like that. Okay. You have to bear that in your mind कि question में क्या पूछा गया है. Okay. So the question is 5/6 and 8/9. Instead of this add, put multiply. Okay. So this becomes 5/6 multiplied by 8/9. Now students, up, down, cross, cross. Check. 6, 8 कौन सी टेबल में जाता है? 2 की टेबल. 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 4 ज़ा 8. फर्दर रिडक्शन पॉसिबल. 5 3 नहीं जाएगा, 4 9 नहीं जाएगा, 5 9 नहीं जाएगा. आजू बाजू वाले को कट कर नहीं सकते. 5 4 ज़ा 20, 9 3 ज़ा 27. इसमें फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. बच्चों प्रोडक्ट बोलते हैं उसको. जब मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर आता है ना, जैसे हम लोग बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स, वैसे ही जो मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर आता है उसको प्रोडक्ट बोलते हैं. ओके, लाइक वी आर ऑल्सो प्रोडक्ट. वी हैव गॉट मल्टीप्लाइड फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट्स. नेक्स्ट इज 2/7 एंड -14/9. चलो बच्चों, एंड की जगह स्टेप बाय स्टेप कीप इट इन योर माइंड. 2/7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -14/9. 2 9 नहीं कटेगा. 4 हाँ ये कटेगा. 7 1 ज़ा 7 2 ज़ा 7 and 14. yes, reducible in a common table. Any other scope? कुछ नहीं. The answer is -4/9. Final product. Product word मत भूलना बच्चों. तुम मैं सब प्रोडक्ट है माँ बाप की अपनी. Don't forget this product. Product मतलब multiply. See, the population of India is so much. Why? Because there is a plenty of byproduct. Product बहुत है हम यहाँ पर. Next is what? -7/8 and 4. -7/8 multiplied by 4. Instead of and put a multiplication sign. तभी तो product आएगा, तभी तो by product बनेगा. 4 1 ज़ा 4 2 ज़ा. Answer is -7/2. Easy. Reduce हो सकता है, कर लो. 3.5 आएगा. 7 अनार हैं. Oh, I should take अनार या कोई रिड्यूसिबल चीज़ है. ओके. 7 फ्रूट्स हैज़ टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग 2 cats. ठीक है. 7 केक्स. चलो केक्स इज ईजी. ओके. इफ देर आर 7 केक्स, अभी मैं ये फटाफट से तुमको एक्सप्लेन भी कर देती हूँ. 7 केक्स, 2 cats. डिवाइड बाई 2 सिखा देती हूँ. चलो कैसे बांटोगे? बंदर नहीं आया है बीच में. हाँ, बंदर आएगा तो खा लेगा बार 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 बार. एंड देन वो स्टोरी सुनिए ना, कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं. इसने लिए 3, इसने लिए 3, बचा 1. 3 + 3 became 6 ना. एक केक बचा. हाफ हाफ ले लेंगे. 0.5. सिंपल. हर जगह मैन्युअली कैलकुलेशन से, कैलकुलेटर से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके. थोड़ी सी बुद्धि अपनाओ, इस्तेमाल करो. मैथ्स इज एक्सट्रीमली ईजी. नेक्स्ट इज 36/-7 एंड -9/28. चलो भाई बच्चों, एंड की जगह अपने आप को याद करो. प्रोडक्ट मल्टीप्लाई. बच्चों, स्टूडेंट, माइनस वॉज डाउन, फूलिंग अस. ऊपर लेके जाओ. ठीक है. स्टेप 2 इज 36 and 28 reducible in common table. I think it is कौन सा टेबल में होगा? 2 में ले लेते हैं. 2 18s are 2 14 times. हाँ, आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. 2 9 times, again 2 7 times. है ना. 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14. फर्दर रिडक्शन पॉसिबल क्या? 9 7 9 7. क्रॉस में भी नहीं होगा. देखो यहाँ पे 9 है, यहाँ पे 9 नहीं, 7 है. यहाँ पे 9 है, यहाँ पे भी 9 नहीं है, 7 है. तो क्रॉस में भी रिड्यूस नहीं हो सकता. ऊपर नीचे तो है ही नहीं कोई सवाल. दिस इज 9 9s are 81. This is 7 7 times 49. Minus into minus becomes plus. Next is, wait, I'll tell you the next sum. Next sum is -7 on 10 and -8 on 15. अब बच्चों, स्टेप 1 एंड की जगह मल्टीप्लाई। स्टेप 2 क्रॉस क्रॉस, ऊपर नीचे देखो कुछ रिड्यूस हो सकता है। 8 and 10 आई थिंक येस। 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 7 15 नॉट पॉसिबल, 4 15 नॉट पॉसिबल, 7 5 नॉट पॉसिबल। चुपचाप से बाजू बाजू मल्टीप्लाई कर दो। 7 4s are 28, 15 5s are 75, माइनस माइनस प्लस। Students, whenever there is a multiplication of fraction, सीधा सीधा सामने सामने मल्टीप्लाई। न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई, डिनोमिनेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई। नो भेदभाव, नो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, कुछ दिमाग में रखना मत। ओनली थिंग इज रिडक्शन। रिड्यूस करो, मल्टीप्लाई करो। मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? आजू बाजू, ऐसे आजू बाजू, ऊपर नीचे। ओके, डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड। नेक्स्ट इज 3 on -2 and -7 on 3. स्टूडेंट्स, एंड की जगह क्या डालूं? यस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन। नाउ इज 3 रिड्यूसिबल इन अ कॉमन टेबल? कट 3 कट। क्या बच्चा? -7 upon -2, कट 7 upon 2। 7 के 2 बिलियों में बटेंगे, 3.5 इज द आंसर। या 3.5 लिख दो, 3 1 upon 2 है ना। 3.5 3 1 upon 2 ना, 3.5 होता है। चलो, आई होप दिस मच इज़ वेरी इजी फॉर यू। हार्ड लगे तो कमेंट करो बाबा, बताओ टीचर थोड़ा स्लो जाओ, धीरे धीरे पढ़ाओ। हमको हार्ड लग रहा है, टीचर हमको अच्छा लग रहा है। कुछ लोग कुछ भी तुम लोग कमेंट ही नहीं करते हैं। हाउ विल आई नो हाउ एम आई टीचिंग? एवैल्यूएट। एवैल्यूएट मीन्स व्हाट? एवैल्यूएट मीन्स जो दिया है चुप करके करो। अगर तुमको बोला है प्लस करो तो प्लस करो, डिविजन तो डिविजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इवैल्यूएट इन द लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश ग्रामर। बोलते हैं ना डू एज डायरेक्टेड, दिस इज डू एज डायरेक्टेड। ओके, 2 upon 3 into 5 on 4 has to be added with 5 upon 9 multiplied by 3 on -10। बच्चों, इसको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर लो ब्रैकेट के अंदर देन ऐड। ठीक है, चलो पहले मल्टीप्लाई करने से पहले क्या है, नीचे वाले साइन ऊपर लेके जाओ, माइनस। मिटाओ इसको, ऊपर ले आओ, मिटाओ इसको, ऊपर ले आओ। पागल बनाते हो हमको। वी नो एवरीथिंग, वी नो मैथ्स। yes students, so put this in the numerator, minus signs. Now see whether it is reducible. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. इतना तो ईजी है, समझ में आ गया। फर्दर रिडक्शन नॉट पॉसिबल, लीव इट एज इट इज। नाउ मल्टीप्लाई आजू बाजू। 5 1s are 5 plus minus minus, 3 2s are 6. Put it in the bracket. Again 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6, but a minus sign is there. Put it in the bracket. Okay, see, एकदम easy, दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम, बहुत आसान हो जाएगा। -5 plus minus is -1 upon, put a common 6, instead of 2 6 put 1 6. Okay, so students, plus minus इधर माइनस था, माइनस माइनस will become plus, but sign of the bigger number. Answer is -1. This is further reduced. 6 and 6 कॉमन टेबल में जाते हैं ना, 6 की टेबल में। हो गया? प्लीज चेक so that I'll do the next sum. देखो कितना अच्छा था evaluate. See, you will easily gain 3-4 marks by doing this one evaluate का sum. खाम में तुम लोग मैथ्स से डरते हो. It is so easy. 2 into 1 on 4 minus -18 upon 7 into -7 upon 15. बच्चों आजू बाजू छोड़ के बाकी सब जगह देखो क्या क्रॉस हो सकता है क्या, आजू बाजू छोड़ो, बाकी क्रॉस में देखो। 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. If there is no number ना, to avoid the confusion यहाँ 1 लिख दो। ओके, to avoid this confusion नीचे 1 डाल दो, उसको भी फ्रैक्शन में रखो ना, बाय डूइंग भेदभाव। 7 and 7, अरे वाह उड़ गया। 18 and 15, yes, 3s are, no sorry, 5 3s are 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Any other, anything else? नहीं, बस इतना ही है। So this becomes 2 तो कट गया, 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2. Put them again in the bracket. 6 1 6, 5 1 5। बच्चों इसके माइनस गुम हो गए, माइनस वी वर हैविंग 2 माइनसेस आजू बाजू, माइनस इंटू माइनस बिकेम प्लस। ये ऐसे ही रहेगा, यहाँ पे कुछ माइनस का साइन नहीं था। ओके, सो 1/2 माइनस 6/5। 6 and 5 आर नॉट कॉमन मल्टीपल, कॉमन कहीं भी नहीं जाएंगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो। इन दिस केस यू विल डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई और यू कैन डू LCM, एक ही चीज़ होती है। 5 1 5, 6 2 12, 5 2 10। The answer is -7/10. Final answer. Should I go ahead with the next sum? फटाफट फटाफट कॉपी कर लो, पेन बुक लो और बैठो। स्टूडेंट जो जस्ट डोंट वॉच वीडियोस, मेरे साथ में तुम अपनी बुक में भी किया करो। दैट विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक वेरी क्लियरली। -5 into 2/15 -6 into 2/9। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ पे भी डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नहीं है वहाँ पे 1 1 डाल दो, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बस कन्फ्यूजन दूर हो जाए, भेदभाव ना रहे। दिमाग एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता है ना, किसी के पास डिनोमिनेटर है किसी के पास नहीं है, दे दो 1 1। ओके, डोंट पुट जीरोस, वो अलग हो जाएगा। नाउ ऊपर नीचे क्रॉस क्रॉस, आजू बाजू छोड़ के बाकी सब जगह देखो। इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट इज इट रिड्यूसिबल? यस। 5 1 5 3 3 2 3 3 2 1 2 3 1 3, put a minus sign, minus 2 2 -4, 3 1 3। आई होप इतना समझ में आया। शुड आई गो अहेड? -2/3 माइनस माइनस प्लस 4/3। वाओ, डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल होता है, मुझे बड़ा आनंद आता है। आई रियली फील्स वेरी हैप्पी। 4 - 2 2, 3 का 3 ही रहेगा, कुछ नहीं करना है बाबा उसको। व्हेन यू आर डूइंग एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिनोमिनेटर अगर सेम हो गए तो छेड़ो मत, वही चाहिए, राइट इट एज इट इज। वेन एवर देर इज अ मल्टी, अगर यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता ना प्रोडक्ट वाला तो हम लोग इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते, 9 लिख देते। इधर प्लस या माइनस का साइन आया ना, नीचे कुछ नहीं करना है, ये लोग चुपचाप इधर सेम नंबर है ना वहाँ लिख दो, ऊपर वाले नंबर को प्लस माइनस करो, ठीक है। सो साइन ऑफ द बिगर नंबर प्लस। शुड आई गो अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट सम? स्टूडेंट्स, आई प्रॉमिस यू नो वन कैन टीच यू द ईजियर मेथड। बहुत सालों से मैं मैथ्स करवा रही हूँ, आई नो द शॉर्टकट का शॉर्टकट मुझे पता है क्या कर सकते हैं। Now this one is question number 4. Cross cross ऊपर नीचे check, 2 1s are 2 4s are, and here I don't think it's possible to cut. ये 4 5 not possible, 3 5 not possible, 3 16 असंभव, 9 10 not possible, छोड़ो उसको भी। 4 3s are 12, 5 1s are 5, plus into minus minus, put inside the bracket। 9 3s are 27, 27, 10 into 16 160, put minus sign। I hope this much is easy for you। आगे बढ़े, प्लस माइनस माइनस। अब बच्चों यहाँ पर या तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो या तो LCM करो। आई वुड से LCM का भी एक मेथड करके देखते हैं। एग्जाम अब तुम बोलोगे कि टीचर ने LCM वाले सम सिखाई ही नहीं। चलो अब इसको क्या करें, 5 and 160 का LCM क्या होता है? 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 32 1s are 32। अरे वाह, झटापटी खत्म सम। ये देखो 5 how many times 160? 32 टाइम्स। ओके, सो 5 into 32 हो गया 160, और ये तो बेचारा है ही 160। सी द LCM was 160, 32 5s are करोगे तो you will get 160। The LCM of 32 sorry 5 and 160 is 160 only। So 5 में कितनी टाइम करेंगे? 5 how many times 160? 5 32 टाइम। अगर नीचे 32 से मल्टीप्लाई किया ऊपर भी करना होगा। So what is 32 into 12? This is 384 minus 384 minus 27 upon 160। 411 minus 411 upon 160 is the final answer. Is it visible? Sorry students, I did not see that it's not visible. Now students, if I don't know whether what the answer is given behind, if it is given in a mixed fraction तो mixed fraction में कर देना, okay? But I think only this much will be the answer. Should we go ahead with the next sum? Well, my next sum is, wow, multiply each rational number given by 1. Multiply each rational number given below by 1. Okay. Anything multiplied by 1, same number. Okay. Denominator in the fraction हमारे स्टैंडर्ड का नहीं है, ऊपर रखो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द राइटिंग ऑफ फ्रैक्शन इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. तुम्हारा स्टैंडर्ड हाई होना चाहिए. यू शुड नो ऑल द रूल्स ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होता माइनस. माइनस शुड ऑलवेज बी केप्ट इन द न्यूमरेटर. ओके, बस नंबर वही रहेगा. दूसरा क्या है भाई? -3 अपॉन -4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. ये फर्स्ट सम था. ये सेकेंड सम में माइनस माइनस उड़ा दो, बिकम्स 3 अपॉन 4. थर्ड सम 0. एनीथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0 इज 0 इटसेल्फ भाई. पर 1 से करेंगे अभी तो वो 0 ही रहेगा. एनीथिंग नहीं, सेम नंबर. -8 अपॉन 13 इंटू 1, अगेन -8 अपॉन 13. And next is -6 upon -7 into 1 becomes 6 upon 7. Minus minus will get cancelled. I hope this much is very 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 easy. एक एक मार्क का आएगा ना, अंधा भी मार्क्स लेकर आ जाए. Okay, even anyone can do this sum. For each pair of the rational number given below, verify the multiplication is commutative. Now students, you have to see that whether the commutative property is applicable in multiplication or not. Confused मत होना. Commutative property मतलब a into b is equal to b into c. ठीक है? a into b is equal to b into c होता है या नहीं होता है, ये चेक करना है बेटा. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Yes, that is only commutative property. 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. This is called as commutative property. So if you multiply it like this is -2 upon 45. उल्टा मल्टीप्लाई करो, that is 2 into -1 upon 5, 2 upon 9. Same, -2 upon 45 as it is. तुम a से b को मल्टीप्लाई करो या b से a को मल्टीप्लाई करो, द आंसर विल बी ए बी ओनली. बी ए बोलो कि ए बी बोलो, एक ही आंसर होता है. सी 13 5 65, 3 11 33, माइनस माइनस प्लस. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो. सी ट्राई इट. 13 5 65, 11 3 33, माइनस माइनस प्लस. Easy now. Similarly, see the two sums are done. Second, 9 3s are 24. Sorry, 9 8s are 3 8s are 24. 9 1s are 9. उल्टा करो. -24 upon 9. Don't you think it's easy? Similarly, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 को 12 से करो या 12 को 0 से करो, multiply, the answer would be, उल्टा करके देखो इधर पर, -12 upon 17 into 0 would also be 0. See students, you will have to show this double step. इसको इससे किया तो भी वही आंसर आया, इसको उससे किया तो भी वही आंसर आया. Only after showing this you will get marks in exam. Next is okay. Now write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what student? बच्चों बचपन से सीखा होगा तुम लोगों ने. Reciprocal मतलब उल्टा, ऊपर का नीचे, नीचे का ऊपर. 5 का उल्टा. See 5 is nothing but 5 on 1. This becomes 1 on 5. Reciprocal becomes 1 on 5. Equal to नहीं डालना बीच में. It's not equal to. Second is minus 3. This becomes minus 1 upon 3. Third one is 5 on 11. This becomes 11 upon 5. Fourth one is minus 7 upon minus 8. This becomes 8 upon 7. If you want, you can put the minus sign. अगर हटा दोगे तो भी चलेगा, because anyways this minus sign is supposed to get reduced. This is 15 upon minus 17. Students, बताओ क्या आएगा? Answer would be minus 17 upon 15. I hope reciprocal is easy, and 1 mark you will get in this. Okay, 1 mark. बस उल्टा करके लिख देना है. You don't have to use your brains in this. Hello students. Today we are going to continue with the exercise 1C, standard 8th rational numbers. Okay. Now the question is, write the reciprocal of the following. You know what the reciprocal is? Reciprocal का दूसरा नाम होता है multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse यानी ऊपर का नीचे, नीचे का ऊपर. Denominator numerator में और numerator denominator में. The other simple word is reciprocal, and the multiplicative inverse उसका और एक नाम होता है. Both are same, synonyms, but you may get confused in exam. Okay, so I am telling you कि ये एक ही चीज़ होती है. Okay, in advanced level of mathematics तुमको ये ऐसे बताया जाता है. Now students, see the question is given here is 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. इसका जो आंसर आएगा उसको उल्टा कर देना. Now first thing you have to check whether anything gets reduced or not. कुछ reduce हो सकता है. देखो 5 और 2 reduce होगा नहीं. 3 and 3 will get reduced. Yes, 3 and 3 can be reduced. 3 ones are 3. ठीक है ना. Now the answer is coming 2 upon 5. But when you do the multiplicative inverse, therefore the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of it is 5 upon 2. So simple. Easy. 2 marks. 1 mark for getting this. The other mark सिर्फ उल्टा करने के लिए 1 mark मिल जाएगा. Next is 8 upon 3, 13 upon minus 7. Student, I always tell you, minus का sign denominator में कभी भी नहीं होता है. Okay, put this minus sign in the numerator. Now any scope of reduction? 8 7 reduce नहीं होगा, 8 3 reduce नहीं होगा, 13 7 possible नहीं है, 13 3 भी possible नहीं है. Multiply. If it is not possible, multiply. What is 13 8s are? Even I don't know. See, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 9 10. You can directly multiply it this way. Okay, multiply it with individual numbers. No need to remember the table 8 13 का table. And 3 7s are 21. Minus minus plus. This is not the final answer. They are asking you the reciprocal of it. Therefore you have to write like this. Therefore reciprocal is equal to 21 upon 104. Understood? Come on, do the next sum. Either reduction possible है? नहीं. 3 13 not possible. 1 5 3 5 1 13 nothing is possible to be reduced. 3 1s are 3. What is 13 5s are? 13 5s are is 65. Fortunately I remember. Come on. Now students, minus minus becomes plus. But this is not the final answer. You have to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal मतलब उल्टा, which is 65 upon 3. है ना simple? आराम से 2 मार्क मिल जाएगा एक सम पे. I'm rubbing it. Now the next sum is verify. What do you mean by verify? Verify that question में दिया हुआ है what you have to verify, that x plus y into z is equal to x into z plus y into z. Students, listen. This is also called as a distributive property. Z into x, zx. Z into y, zy. बस वही prove करना है हम लोगों को. Okay. Now the question given here is x is 4 upon 5, y is minus 2 upon 3 and z is minus 4. बच्चों फॉर्मूला क्या दिया है देखो, बाहर z है और अंदर x plus y है. ओके, सेम है. Only thing is I am trying to make things simple for you. Okay, instead of putting a z there, you can put a z in the beginning, which makes your task easy. Okay, instead of a z, you should write minus 4. Substitute z. What is z? Minus 4. What is x? 4 on 5. And what is y? My dear students, y is minus 2 upon 3, but here the sign is given plus. Plus minus minus. Put here minus 2 upon 3. Instead of putting this plus, put a minus sign because 2 upon 3 holds the sign of minus. Now students, what should we do with 2, 5 and 3? We have to make the, wait. We have to do this step 2. Multiply this by this, then this by this. Minus 4 into 4 upon 5. Put a minus sign. Again minus 4 into minus 2 upon 3. Not minus 2 upon 3, has to be 2 upon 3, but this sign is here minus, okay. So what will come here? 4 4s are 16 upon 5. And here minus plus, oh sorry, minus, wait, 16 upon 5, put a minus sign. 4 2s are 8 upon 3. Now continued, minus 16 upon 5 plus 8 upon 3. What would be the answer? Because the denominators are different, we will have to do my cross multiplication. 16 3s are 48. Put a minus sign. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15. The answer is minus 8 upon 15. Okay. Now you have to verify in this in the sense that we have to check whether we get the same answers on both the sides. Even see, we did this and we got minus 8 upon 15. What if we will do this? Will we get the same answer? Now students, this was my RHS, right here RHS, okay. Copy this down, then I'll tell you what LHS is, okay. Now my LHS is, I should have done LHS first, in next time I'll do that. LHS says left hand side z into x plus y, okay. What is z? Minus 4. What is x? 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. Minus 4 into 4 3s are cross multiply, okay. 12 minus 10 upon 15. See my dear students, minus 4 into 2 upon 15. Isn't it minus 8 upon 15? Same. I'll teach you this one more sum so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Okay. Wait, I'll teach you in a systematic manner now. Draw a line like this, put here LHS and write here RHS. Okay? What is there in LHS? X plus y multiplied by z, and here x into z plus y into z. Now the question here says is x is equal to, I'll write here, x is equal to 3 upon 4, y is equal to 8 upon 9 and z is equal to minus 5. So x is what? 3 on 4. Y is what? 8 upon 9 and z is what? Multiplied by minus 5. Similarly here x is what? 3 upon 4 into minus 5 plus y is what? 8 upon 9 into minus 5. Let's see if both the sides are coming same. It has to come same, okay. Verify means it is same, you just have to prove it. 4 and 9 are not a common multiple of any table, so we will do cross multiplication. 9 3s are 27, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36 multiplied by minus 5. What is 27 plus 32? 59. What is 59 into 5? See, you have to multiply it directly, okay. 9 5s are 45, 25, 295 minus 295 upon 36. Let us try the RHS part. This becomes minus 15 upon 4 plus minus 40 upon 9. I hope this much is easy. 15 9s are 135, put a minus sign. 14 4s are 160, 9 4s are 36, cross multiply. Now students, minus minus will become plus. What is 160 plus 135? 295, same sign of the common number. Isn't LHS is equal to RHS? Both are same. See, check. Should I go ahead with the next sum? Well, my next sum says name the multiplicative property of the rational number shown. See students, there are three properties. One is commutative, other is associative, and third is distributive. Okay, commutative का मतलब क्या? See, 3/5 into 8 minus 8/9. Now students, tell me one thing. 3 into 8 or 8 into 3 would be same or not? It would be same. Minus 8/9 into 3/5. They are same. Okay, equal. This property wherein A into B is equal to B into A is called as commutative property. कम्यूटेटिव मतलब ये उधर जाए कि वो इधर आए, बात वही है. हम अपने मम्मी के पास जाएं या मम्मी हमारे पास आए, हम मिलेंगे मम्मी से ना. सिमिलरली ये इधर इसके पास जाए या ये इधर जाए. कम्यूट मतलब जाना, एक से दूसरी जगह जाना. ओके, दिस वे यू शुड रिमेंबर. दिस इज निमोनिक. आई एम गिविंग ट्रिक, बता रही हूँ कैसे याद करना है. कम्यूटेटिव का मतलब होता है एक से दूसरी जगह जाना. अब ये मम्मी के पास जाए या मम्मी इसके पास आए, दोनों मिलेंगे ही ना. नेक्स्ट इज दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी है, ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहाँ है. नेक्स्ट इज -3/4 इंटू 5/7 इंटू -8/15 is equal to -3/4 into 7/8 -8 into 15. Now students, when आप पहले see, when you multiply A into B into C, the answer is A, B, C only. If I multiply A into B first and then C, still it is A, B, C only. What is the name of this property? The name of this property is called as associative property. The name of this property is called as associative property. Wait, I'll give you one more sum. Okay, different property. I'll rub this. Only you have to write the name and you will get 1 mark, 2 mark in your exam. See how easy is it to get marks in mathematics. Mathematics is the only subject where you have to understand something and reproduce. No need to mug, no need to cram or by heart anything. Only understand the concept, go and reproduce in the exam and you will get full marks. Into 3 on -8 plus -4/7, which is equal to 4/5 into 3 on -8 plus 4/5 into -4/7. Students, ये फर्स्ट इससे मल्टीप्लाई हुआ फिर इससे मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है ना. दिस प्रॉपर्टी, दिस इज गेटिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ना 1 by 1. दैट इज वाई दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Understood? Copy this down so that I can go ahead. Should I go ahead with the next sum? The next sum is, fill in the blanks, which the answers are already given. So I'll go ahead with the next exercise. I think exercise 1D. Same. Evaluate. Evaluate means do as directed. 1 divided by 1/3. Students, whenever in fraction you get the division thing, you can't divide, you will have to multiply, and for multiplying you will have to flip this. Okay, like 1 into 3 on 1. जब आप डिवीजन की जगह मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन डालते हो तो जो दूसरा नंबर होता है, दिस द नेक्स्ट नंबर शुड हैव अ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स या रेसिप्रोकल कर देना है. सिंपल. 3 1s are 3 on 1, that is 3. Easy. 3 डिवाइड बाय 3 अपॉन 5. स्टेप 1, 3 का 3 लिखो, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन डालो, इसको उल्टा करो. 3 3 शेल गेट कैंसिल, आंसर इज 5. नेक्स्ट 5 minus 5 upon 12 divided by 1 upon 16. Minus 5 upon 12 would be as it is, multiply का साइन डालो, 16 upon 1. Is 12 and 16 a common multiple of a common table? Yes, 4. बड़ा नंबर लेना, don't take 2. 4 3s are 4 4s are. So your answer is minus 20 upon 3. Should I go ahead with the next sum? Next is minus 21 upon 16 divided by minus 7 upon 8. Students, I am working hard for you. Please like, share, subscribe to my videos. God will bless you. Instead of a division sign, यहाँ पे डालो multiplication का sign. इसको flip करो. Put a reciprocal of it, okay? Now 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Answer is minus 3 upon 2. है ना simple? Next. Next is what? 0 divided by minus 4 on 7. Children, anything multiplied or divided by 0 is always 0. Still you have to do this step. 2 मार्क चाहिए ना, तो 2 स्टेप करो, सीधा 0 मत लिखना. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 8 upon minus 5 divided by 24 on 25. Instead of it, put minus 8. Why I put minus in the numerator? Because it was standard form. You have to always put minus sign in the numerator, not in the denominator. ऊपर ले जाओ. Instead of a division sign, put a multiplication and do the reciprocal of the next number, next fraction. Okay, उसका उल्टा कर दो. Now 8 and 24 common. हाँ, yes, 8 3s are 24. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Answer is minus 5 on 3. The next number is minus 3 upon 4 divided by minus 9. So write minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon minus 9. Students, 3 and 9 are they commonly divisible? When 3 1s are 3 3s are minus cut. 1 upon 12 is the answer. Next sum is, see how easy and simple and you know how interesting this is. बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है करने में. 3 on 4 divided by minus 5 upon 12. Write 3 upon 4 as it is, multiply का sign डालो, minus 12 on 5 will be written here. Okay, step 1 clear? Now 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. The answer should be minus 9 upon 5. Plus minus, minus 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5. Next is, next. Student, I have a mission to spread my knowledge to as many students as possible. So please spread my videos, share it among your friends, okay? Next is minus 5 into minus 11 upon 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. The answer is minus plus upon 2. 11 upon 2. Next is what? Minus 7 upon 11 divided by minus 3 upon 44. This becomes minus 7 upon 11. Students, instead of a division sign, put a multiplication and do an inverse of, reciprocal of the next fraction. ठीक है? Now 11 1s are 11, 4s are 44. Answer is 28 upon 3. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Minus plus हो जाएगा. This much is okay. Should I go ahead with 2? Question 2. Divide. Okay, divide. ठीक है, डिवाइड में क्या करेंगे? 3 by 1 upon 3. बाय की जगह डिवाइड का साइन डालो. ओके, सेम reciprocal, put a multiplication sign in between instead of division and do the reciprocal of the next fraction. ये जो दूसरा फ्रैक्शन है ना, पहला नहीं दूसरा फ्रैक्शन है ना, इसको तुम उल्टा कर दो. So 1 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 1, मतलब 3. Answer is 3 3s are 9. Next, minus 2 divided by minus 1 upon 2. Same, minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Student, no need to change this plus minus का साइन. इसको कुछ छेड़छाड़ी नहीं करना, सिर्फ ऊपर का नीचे, नीचे का ऊपर. That's it. This becomes 4. Minus minus will get cancelled. Multiply और division में cancel हो जाता है, 2 माइनस होगा तो. Next is what? Okay, 0 divided by 7 upon minus 9. Wow, 0 divided by 7 on minus 9. Anything multiplied or divided by 0 is a 0. But still you will have to commit this step because you need marks. दूसरा, minus 5 on 8, minus 5 on 8 divided by 1 on 4. So this becomes minus 5 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 1. Upon 1 लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Okay, now 4 and 8 is common division. Yeah, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This becomes minus 5 upon 2. Should I go ahead with the next sum? Okay, the next sum says what? Yes, minus 3 upon 4 divided by minus 9 upon 16. So minus 3 upon 4 into minus 16 upon 9. Only thing is you have to put the multiplication ka sign and you have to do the reciprocal of the next fraction. I am saying this repeated amount of times, but please do it. So दिमाग में रखो. I know I am repeating the same thing, but I want you to remember this. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. कट हो जाता है, कट कर दो. So I am saying this, students. You know what? After doing these video things and all, you know, my jaw pains like anything. I keep talking. This is really very tough job for me, but still I am doing it because I want my videos to reach as many students, as many children as possible. Please spread my videos. Next is the product of two rational numbers is minus 2. One of them is 4 upon 7. Product is minus 2. One number is, I am writing the short form, 4 upon 7. Find another. Can I write the another number as x? ठीक है. 4 upon 7 को जब हम x से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमको minus 2 मिलता है. Question says like this. When you are multiplying two numbers, the product is 2, minus 2. Product means multiply. दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, आंसर minus 2 आता है. One of the number among it is 4 upon 7. Find the other. हमने अदर नंबर को नाम दे दिया x. So that will find the value of it. ठीक है, क्या करो, x को यहीं रखो, इज इक्वल टू को भी यहीं रहने दो. Wait, I'll make things easy for you. ये x यहाँ का यहीं रहेगा, ये इज इक्वल टू यहाँ का यहीं रहेगा, -2 भी यहाँ का यहीं रहेगा. Now only this 4 upon 7 will go there and become 7 upon 4. नीचे वाला ऊपर और ऊपर वाला नीचे, ऐसे 4 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 4. इज इक्वल टू के आर पार जाता है ना जब फ्रैक्शन, तो नीचे वाला ऊपर और ऊपर वाला नीचे, बस ऐसे याद रखना तुम. सो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. द अदर नंबर इज -7 upon 2. कितना सिंपल था. देखो, खाम में तुम लोग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम से डरते हो. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आता है ना, बच्चे बहुत डर जाते हैं. डोंट गेट स्केर्ड ऑफ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. मोस्ट स्कोरिंग 3 marks का सम आते हैं. सी द सेम सम इफ इट इज मेड फॉर यू and you will have to multiply, divide, whatever, you get 2 marks. But if they are giving it in the word problem type, they'll give you 3 marks. Okay, so now the next question is the product of two numbers is -4 upon 9. दो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आया -4 upon 9. One of them is -2 upon 7. See, on multiplying two numbers we get -4 on 9. One number is -2 upon 7. Find another. Is this tough? कितना आसान है. देखो, ये x यहीं पे रखो, ये इक्वल टू ये भी यहीं पे रखो. -4 upon 9 should be kept like this. Now you have to move this 2 upon 7. उसको ले जाओ वहाँ पर. See, when you are trying to find the value of x or y या कोई भी वेरिएबल इक्वेशन में, you have to see to it that you are keeping it alone. अकेला रख रहे हो आप उसको. So this becomes into 7 upon -2. नीचे वाला ऊपर और ऊपर वाला नीचे, सिंपल. सो x इज इक्वल टू 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, माइनस माइनस मर गया, 14/9 is the answer. So the another number which you have to multiply by -2/7 to get -4/9 is 14/9. ऐसे इतना बना के लिखोगे ना, टीचर विल बी सुपर इम्प्रेस्ड, फुल मार्क्स दे देगी. और उनको बताना हमने काजल मिस से सीखा, उनको भी वीडियो देना, शी विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी विथ यू. नेक्स्ट इज m and n are two rational numbers such that m into n is equal to -25/9. Okay, if m is equal to 5/3, find n. Students, 5/3 है ये m, इसको हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया n से and I got -25/9 and they are telling me to find the value of n. क्या करो, इसका n का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है ना, n को अकेला रखो, बाकी फेंक दो राइट साइड पे. कीप दिस n एज इट इज, कीप दिस -25/9 एज इट इज, ओनली थ्रो दिस 5/3 ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. नीचे वाला ऊपर, ऊपर वाला नीचे. 3 इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर, पुट इट इन द न्यूमरेटर. 5 न्यूमरेटर में, उसको फेंक दो डिनोमिनेटर में. 5/3 becomes 3/5 on the other side of the equal to. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So your n is -5/3. Isn't that easy? So the number that has to be multiplied by 5/3 is -5/3. So that I get -25/9. The next is if m is equal to 5/3, find n. Done. If n is equal to -10/9, find m. And same the question is m into n is -25/9. बच्चों m we don't know, 10/9 is n and answer is -25/9. Once you understand the framework of this, how to frame up this one equation, the rest of the thing is cakewalk. See, m is equal to, put this -25/9 as it is, shift this to the right. नीचे वाला ऊपर, ऊपर वाला नीचे. 10 on 9 will become 9 on 10. ठीक है ना? 9 will get cancelled, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, minus minus will become plus, so your m is 5/2. Isn't that simple, children? By what number should -8/13 be multiplied to get 16? By what number should -8/13 be multiplied so that you get the answer 16? So you have to find the value of this unknown fraction, okay? That x. x को यहीं रखो, keep it as it is, put the 16 here. This has to be shifted to the right. So नीचे वाला ऊपर and ऊपर वाला नीचे. Simple. Now try to reduce. Okay. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. X is equal to, students, नीचे minus, is it okay? No, you have to put it in the numerator. -26. See how easy it was. Next is 3.5 liters of milk cost ₹49. Find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Student, when the question comes like this, you have various methods of doing it, but I will tell you the universal method to do it. You can try this solution in any answer, in any question of this kind. Okay, so how much of liters? 3.5. How much rupees? Costing ₹45. What they are asking? 1 liter का कितना? अब सुनो बच्चों, you can directly divide and find the answer, or put this as x, multiply this 49 into 1. This is called as a unitary method. और 3.5 को नीचे करो. What is 3.5? Put that in See, this is a mixed fraction, okay? You have to convert it into improper. 3.5 कैसे convert करेंगे बेटा? इधर देखो, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3.5 is nothing but 7 upon 2. Copy this down so that I'll rub it. You must know how to convert improper into mixed into improper. So this is nothing but 7 upon 2. See students, when you put this 7, तो ये तो denominator में आ गया. Denominator का denominator नहीं लिखा जाता है. Instead of upon 2, put here into 2. 49 upon 7 upon 2, instead of 2, put this 2 up. Okay? Now, 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Answer is 14. What is it 14? Rupees. So the cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 14. Should I go ahead with the next sum? Again there is cost of 3 2 upon 5 meters of cloth. How much is the length? 3 2 upon 5 and the cost is rupees 88. How 88 and a half, sorry. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? Again, you have an option of either dividing it or I'll tell you a method, unitary method. इसको x लिखो, ये mixed में है, इसको improper में डालेंगे. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 17 upon 5 हो जाएगा. 88 into 2 is, I think it is 176. Yes, 176. 176 plus 1 177 upon 2. ओके, नीचे वाले से मल्टीप्लाई, ऊपर वाले से वही नंबर फिर जो मल्टीप्लाई होता है वो ऐड हो जाएगा. दिस इज हाउ यू कन्वर्ट. फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करो 177 अपॉन 2 इंटू 1, देन डिवाइड. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ विल यू डिवाइड? अपॉन 17 अपॉन 5. डू इट दिस वे, डिवाइडेड बाय 17 अपॉन 5. See in cross they have to, see in unitary method how you have to do is, whichever numbers are available to you in cross, a couple of numbers, put them in multiplication and the one which is अकेला, जिसके साथ कोई नहीं है, x को छोड़ के चली गई है, उसको डिनोमिनेटर में डालना है, उसको नीचे दे दो, उसको डिवाइड करना है. अंडरस्टूड? 177 into 1 is 171 upon, instead of divide, put a multiplication sign and please do a reciprocal to this. So your answer should be, see, is it anyways divisible? No. 177 into 5 is 35, 36, 37, 38, 5 and the 5. 885 upon 34. So the cost of, I don't think this should be the cost. 885 upon 34. Let us do it in mixed. 34 into 68. Yes, this is the answer. Yes, so my answer is, see, when you put this in mixed fraction, your answer comes 26 1 on 34. So the cost of 1 meter of cloth is 26 1 upon 34. See, I have done this working, okay, for you. Should I go ahead with the next sum? Divide. There is a very good option of zoom in, like you zoom in into a YouTube video. So if you are not able to view any digit or any word or any alphabet in my video, you can just zoom in and watch it. Okay, now the next number is divide the sum of 3/7 and -5/14. Sum मतलब addition by -1 on 2 means you have to add these both and you have to divide it by -1/2. I hope this much is good and easy and clear with you. My dear students, 7 और 14 है denominator में. If you don't have an equal denominator, you can't add. You have to first equalize the denominator. Denominator को same नहीं बनाएंगे ना, तुम fraction को add नहीं कर सकते. 7 and 14. चलो बड़ा नंबर क्या है इसमें 14. 14 1 जा 14. 14 जाता है 7 की टेबल में? Yes. So the LCM is 14. 2s are ऊपर भी 2 दे दो. Step 1 easy. 3 2s are 6 plus minus upon 5. 14 कॉमन लिख दो 14. अंडरस्टूड? इंस्टेड ऑफ डिवीजन पुट अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन -2/1 कर दो. व्हाट इज 6 - 5? 1/14 इंटू -2/1. 2 1s are 2 7s are. आंसर इज -1/7. Is that easy? Students, please comment and let me know. I want to communicate with you people. I really feel good when somebody comments on my video. Next is yes, find m plus n divided by m minus n if m is equal to 2/3 and n is 3/2. Student, 2/3 plus 3/2 ये हो गया m plus n. Put a division sign. 2/3 minus 3/2. Okay, this much is clear. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6 है ना. नहीं आ रहा है तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Divide. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. इतना समझे? 4 and 9 13/6. Instead of division pull a multiplication. 6 will go up. 4 minus 9 is -5. Now any scope of deduction? 6 और 6 reduce कर सकते हैं ना, उड़ा दो 6. आंसर इज -5/13. सिंपल है, 3-4 मार्क का आएगा. Now the next question is same, m plus n divided by n plus m minus n if m is equal to 3/4 और n is equal to 4/3. चलो बच्चों करो. 3/4 plus 4/3 divided by 3/4 minus 4/3. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12. Divided by 3 3s are 9 minus 4 4s are 16 upon 4 3s are 12. बच्चों एक शॉर्टकट दूँ, मेरे दिमाग में अभी आया. You can directly reduce this 12 over here. ठीक है? No teacher is gonna tell you wrong. Okay? Now 16 plus 9 25. Put a upon sign. 16 minus 9 -7. नीचे माइनस नहीं आता. Always put minus sign in the numerator. The answer to this is -25/7. Should I go ahead with the next sum? M is 4/5 or n is -3/10. चलो 4/5 plus minus plus, I'll put plus sign only. Later I'll tell you common sign. Divided by 4/5 minus -3/10. Student, 2 minus 2 plus minus, these two signs cannot come आमने सामने. They'll fight. Okay, who will win? Let's see. Plus minus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Is this much clear? कैसे किया मैंने? Now 5 and 10, the LCM should be 10 क्योंकि 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 और 10 1s are 10 तो होता ही है. So this becomes 10. This will, जो नीचे दिया नंबर उसी से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करो. पुट अ डिविजन का साइन. into 2 into 2. ठीक है, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3, 5 upon 10. Divided by 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 upon 10. I hope this much is easy and clear. 10 10 को यहीं पे उड़ा दो. Answer is 5 upon 11. Students, है ना easy? 4 मार्क ऐसे ही मिल जाएंगे तुमको. Now the product of two numbers is -5. The next question says the product of two numbers is -5. चलो भैया प्रोडक्ट है मल्टीप्लाई और मल्टीप्लाई करके मिल गया -5. One of it is -7 upon 15. Find the other. ये x फाइंड करना है, ठीक है. So your x is equal to -5 into minus. See, if you are pushing this that side, नीचे वाला ऊपर और ऊपर वाला नीचे. Always remember, ठीक है. So your x is equal to 15 5s are 75 minus minus plus. So your answer is 75 upon 7. Divide sum of this. Divide भाई क्या करो, divide करो. Divide, चलो भाई डिवाइड किया. सम बोला इसलिए प्लस किया. -5 upon 8 minus 11 upon 12 by the difference. डिफरेंस मतलब -3 upon 7, 5 upon 14. बच्चों डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करना है, राइट. नाउ 8 and 12. What is the LCM of 8 and 12? Go to the table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 8 के टेबल में नहीं आता है. 12 twos are 24. Yes. 24 is the LCM. 8 into 3, 12 into 2. जो नीचे देंगे वही ऊपर दो. 5 into 3 plus into 2. इतना समझे. Divided by 7 and 14 LCM. 14 ones are 14. 7 के टेबल में जाता है. हाँ जाता है. Come on. Easy. 14 is the LCM. 14 को ऐसे ही रखो बिकॉज 14 इज द एलसीएम. ठीक है. एलसीएम इसलिए निकाला जाता है ताकि तुम लोग उसके डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल कर लो. डिनोमिनेटर इसलिए इक्वल किए जाते हैं ताकि तुम उसको ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सको. अंडरस्टूड. सो नो नीड ऑफ एलसीएम इन डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बट एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में यू रिक्वायर टू इक्वलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर्स. नेक्स्ट 8 3s are 24. 5 3s are 15. Plus minus 22 upon 24 has to be divided by 3 2s are 6 upon 14 minus 5 upon 14. Students, 15 minus 22 is -7 upon 24 divided by 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 14. I'll write 1 here like this. Okay. Now students, division को क्या करेंगे हम? Multiplication. Instead of division, put a multiplication and do the reciprocal of the next fraction. 14 and 24 common table? Yes. How which? 2 7s are, 2 12s are. Further reduction not possible. Answer is -49 upon 12. That's it for this video, students. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, be in touch with me. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep YouTubing, keep studying. Don't waste your time. Thank you so much.